have two functions, function 3a and function 3b. Function 3a is the same as function 3b with the parameters x and y. And inside this function, we have sum is equal to 2 times x plus y. And we're going to print the result, right? So we want to call this function. I put the comments down below so you can look at it, but in reality, I'm just going to reproduce the comments, right? So 3a, just like this, 1 and 2. So my input of x is going to be 1, 2, right? So that means is here on my parameter call, x is equal to 1, right? And y is equal to 2. Okay, and so when that happens, what is my final result? Let's go and save it and let's print it. And we can see here the sum is equal to 4. Okay, so let's call function 3a again. And let's call it by swapping the parameters. Okay, and when we swap the parameters, now what happens is x is now equal to 2. Let me clean this up a little bit. X is equal to 2, and y is equal to 1. And here now the sum is 5. So in the first instance, x is equal to 1. So 2 times 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4. Now x is equal to 2, so 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, right? So now let's comment this out right now. And then let's look at, another variation of this. So we can do another variation. A second variation, we'll call it in function 3b, which is again same as function 3a, but we're going to just do it by set num1 and num2 equals 1, 2. Okay. Now in 1, 2, num1 and num2, we're here to further define what we need. So what we want to do is say, okay, let's do function 3b as num1 and then function in num2, just like that. So now we get 1 and 2 just like previously, and we should get the same result as 4. Again, we have a function 3b is not called, so I need to change that to a capital B. That's a syntax error, okay, and save it. Boom, the sum is 4. I can call it again, and I can just switch out the variables that correspond to the parameters, and I can just have num2 and then num1. Okay, so in this instance, the first instance, x is equal to num1, which is equal to 1, and y is equal to num2, which is equal to 2. Here, in this instance, x is equal to num2, which is equal to 2, and y is equal to num1, which is equal to 1. Okay, I'm going to save it, I'm going to run it, and then I get the same answer as 4 and 5.